Hey everyone, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this episode, I'm working on a 5x5 mini album for my Spring 23 project, and I titled this page BRRR, It's Cold. I'm using a paper pack that is for winter and Christmas, but it was a seasonal, so I don't think it's available anywhere anymore. I'm working on a basically like a double page spread across two sheets. The way that I set up this album, it will have two sheets that will kind of form a unit. So I have to work with a pretty bulky part on the left side and a flat part on the right side, but so that's why I'm already cut apart all the papers, even though the pattern will continue on the other side, but I decided that this would be way easier to deal with if the papers are already cut to like separated by the page. So here I can now go on and add this other page, the continuing there, and I have to line up everything somewhat to make sure that it is continuous, and the same with the other pattern paper that goes on top there that is also supposed to continue. So then I have also cut a bunch of embellishments using my die cuts. Here I have this tiny little Polaroid frame to create little Polaroid photos, and so I'm gluing the photo to that. That is going to go with the other photos there. And now I can start arranging my photos. This was actually in spring. During spring, we had a surprise snow day where it just really snowed, and so that was an interesting thing to put in my spring album, which is supposed to be all about springy things, and here we have to say, oh, winter is back. So now I'm using the ruler to kind of line up where I want the flag, that paper flag, to continue, and here I kind of wanted to create the impression as if it's going behind the paper there, even though I don't really tuck it behind. And there's the scalloped border that I can also add here, and that will continue on the other side as well. So yeah, this is the peculiarity with the album format that I chose, that I'm working on two separate sheets of paper to create one single layout. So here I have all my paper flags in place, and now I can go ahead and start gluing down the photos and make sure they are in place. And so there were a whole bunch of photos that I wanted to do, because I always love when it snows and I go on walks and stuff like that and take pictures. And so there was a whole bunch of photos that needed to go on this tiny little space that is my 5x10 mini album spread. And so you see the photos are pretty small, but I like working in small formats. I'm not a big page 12x12 size scrapbooker. So here you see now I can add this little frame there, and then there will be a snowflake that I want to put behind. This is a set that comes with a stamp and a die cut, so I just had that prepared already, and then I have a bunch of more snowflakes that I want to put on the page, and other bits of embellishments that I created. So yeah, like I said, here is a stamp that has that I cut out in a circle, and another tiny snowflake there. And now I got this set of it's skis with a little label there, and I thought it was really cute. I had a matching stamp that doesn't come with the set, but the stamp just fit into the label, and then I added two snowflakes top and bottom, and I thought this worked out really well and looks really kind of cute. And all of this obviously is watercolored, but I had only just stamped it, so it wasn't really dry yet, so I'm using my toothpick there to help me push it down onto the page without me smudging up everything. So here are the sticks that come with this ski set there as well, and then I can also continue with further embellishing things with snowflakes and the likes. And then obviously I also always use some of the word strips. I think they make good embellishment pieces for my pages. So here I'm adding a few more word strips on my page and trying to figure out where would it be a good place. And I do like clustering things, and I do like to avoid where there's like white space in between things. So anyway, this is my page done. I'm leaving you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.